Crypto markets analysis. On-chain data shows short-term Bitcoin holders turning profits. Ether prices breaking above the upper range of Bollinger Bands is a hopeful sign. Bitcoin appears poised to trade flat. On-chain indicators show that short-term Bitcoin holders are turning slight profits, but long-term holders are continuing to sell at a loss. The short-term holder spend output profit ratio, STH-SOPR, and long-term holder output profit ratio, LTH-SOPR, have recently suggested that short-term investors have found small opportunities even as the bear market lengthens and volatility remains low, but that long-term investors who bought at higher prices will have to wait for their windfalls. The STH-SOPR is an on-chain indicator measuring the price sold versus the price paid for BTC, less than 155 days, roughly 5 months, old. When the figure is above 1, it indicates that the asset is being sold on average at a profit. When the figure is below 1, the asset is being sold at a loss. The long-term holder spend output profit ratio, LTH-SOPR, is calculated in the same manner, but applies to Bitcoin held in excess of 155 days. Current STH-SOPR, 0.99. Current LTH-SOPR, 0.56. Most short-term BTC holders holding profitable positions likely entered their long positions in late November when Bitcoin was trading at its 5-month low of $15,599. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization has risen about 8% since then. The STH-SOPR metric has been climbing since a December 19 reading of 0.95. A previous reading above 1.0 occurred on December 14, before declining the subsequent week. The likely entry point may hint where markets perceive a potential BTC bottom. From a timing vantage point, November 21 trading activity coincides with a sharp expansion and subsequent contraction of Bitcoin volatility. BTC's average true range increased 43% between November 1 and November 21, and has fallen 64% since then. The $15,599 low falls just below a high volume node, when using the Volume Profile Visible Range, VPVR, tool to measure trading activity. The combination of compressed volatility and high price agreement implies that short-term traders were comfortable with their entry points and follow-on trading activity. Long-term holders have not had the same fortune, as the LTH-SOPR fell below the profitability benchmark on November 24, and has remained there since. But many long-term BTC holders are likely to maintain their holdings, rather than sell at a loss. However, are many short-term BTC holders short-term in name only? Investors truly holding a short-term outlook may wish to quickly capitalize on recent price appreciation should those prices push higher. But those who have been holding Bitcoin for only a short time but have longer range goals may be unwilling to unload Bitcoin. For this group, the accumulation of BTC between $15,999 and $16,500 months ago may reflect a level of price support.